Hello, my name is Seumas Gagne, and this video will teach you how to sing along with a Scottish Gaelic walking song, O Toil Scuro Halloum. The process of walking you can learn all about on the internet, so I'll leave you alone on that one. Let's start off with the words. O Toil. O Toil Scuro Halloum. Scuro Halloum. Let's put those together. O Toil Scuro Halloum. O Toil Scuro Halloum. And then the next phrase. O Stallum U Ninak. O Stallum U Ninak. And then O Toil Scuro Halloum. O Toil Scuro Halloum. So putting it all together. O Toil Scuro Halloum. O Stallum U Ninak. O Toil Scuro Halloum. There you have, those are all the words. And now I'm going to teach you the tune of the chorus, phrase by phrase. The first one. O Toil Scuro Halloum. O Toil Scuro Halloum. Second phrase. O Stallum Ninak. O Stallum Ninak. And the last phrase. O Toil Scuro Halloum. O Toil Scuro Halloum. And let's put that whole chorus together now. O Toil Scuro Halloum. O Stallum Ninak. O Toil Scuro Halloum. There you go. And now, let's do some of the song. I'll do a couple verses, and you'll know when to come in, I think.
Scuro Halloum, O Stallum.